Hello friends, hai no bagati pheka kokborok to English kok thai. Hingka fighti kaisa ke nai nele nu tini tam kok thai tong. Hingka tini puila kokborok kok thai ingka. Jesa fano wngthwng ang nono karui tongi maya. Apun English meaning nai. Whatever happens, I can't live without you. Whatever happens, I can't live without you. Apun pura next ingka. Jesa fano wngthwng ang nung bai baksa thang nai. Apun English meaning nai. Whatever happens, I will go with you. Whatever happens, I will go with you. Next ingka. Jesa fano wngthwng nung o kam no ma khai nai. Apun English meaning nai. Whatever happens, you will have to do this work. Whatever happens, you will have to do this work. Next ingka. Jesa fano wngthwng ang bo aro thangya. Ingka apun English meaning nai. Whatever happens, I will not go there also. Whatever happens, I will not go there also. Apun pura next ka jesa fano wngthwng nungbo an logio mathanai. Ka apun English meaning nai. Whatever happens, you will have to go with me also. Whatever happens, you will have to go with me also. Hangke tinin jote asuk no video na to jaka ba channel no subscribe kaina ta pokdi play ka hambai khulum ka jukno.